Robots are already changing how we work. In factories, robots do repetitive tasks like assembling cars. This helps companies make things faster and cheaper. Robots also work in warehouses. They move boxes and get orders ready for delivery. This is helpful because it can be dangerous or tiring for humans. We even have robots in healthcare. Robots can help surgeons perform operations with more precision. They can also help nurses lift and move patients. This is important because it can prevent injuries for both patients and healthcare workers. Outside of healthcare, robots are used for cleaning. Robot vacuums are becoming common in homes. They clean floors automatically, saving people time and effort. Some robots even mow lawns, making yard work easier. As technology advances, robots are becoming more common in many different fields. This is just the beginning of how robots are changing the way we work and live. Robots offer many benefits to businesses. They can work faster and make fewer mistakes than humans. This means companies can produce more goods and services at a lower cost. Robots can also work in dangerous environments, keeping human workers safe. For example, robots can be used in mining or handling hazardous materials. This improves safety conditions for human workers. However, there are drawbacks to consider. As robots take over tasks, some people may lose their jobs. This is a serious concern, and it's important to think about how to help these workers find new opportunities. Some people worry that robots will make many jobs disappear. This is a complex issue with no easy answers. It's crucial to find ways to create new jobs and prepare workers for the changing job market. The impact of robots on jobs will vary across different industries. Some jobs are more likely to be automated than others. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks like factory work or data entry are at higher risk of being automated. However, jobs that require creativity, critical thinking, and human interaction are less likely to be fully automated. For example, jobs in healthcare, education, and the arts are considered less susceptible to complete automation. These jobs require human skills that are difficult for robots to replicate. It's important to note that even within industries, some tasks may be automated, while others remain the domain of human workers. This means that workers will need to adapt and develop new skills to stay competitive in the changing job market. It's essential for workers to prepare for the future of work in an automated world. One way to do this is by focusing on developing skills that are difficult for robots to replicate. These include creativity, problem-solving, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Education and training programs should adapt to focus on these skills. Another important aspect is lifelong learning. The job market is constantly evolving, and workers need to be prepared to learn new skills and adapt to new technologies. Governments and organizations can play a role in supporting workers through this transition. They can provide training programs, offer job search assistance, and invest in industries that are expected to grow in the future. By taking these steps, we can create a future where humans and robots work together effectively.